The original ClaritySoft Outlook plugin easily synchronizes your email, calendar, tasks, and contacts between Outlook and ClaritySoft. This version of the plugin is compatible with ClaritySoft Live and ClaritySoft Offline. Let's examine the installation process for the original Outlook plugin. Before beginning this process, it is highly recommended that you or your system administrator have properly configured your email settings within ClaritySoft. Following a successful test of your email settings, you can proceed with the plugin installation process. Begin by ensuring Microsoft Outlook is closed. Next, use ClaritySoft to access the support portal, where you will find the ClaritySoft Download Center. Click the Download button for the original Outlook plugin. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the prompts through the Setup wizard. When the installation is complete, reopen Microsoft Outlook. The plugin will be displayed in the Home menu. If you don't see it, you may need to enable it. In the Tell me what you want to do field, type in Add-ins. From the resulting options, select COM Add-ins. Then check the checkbox for ClaritySoft Add-in for Outlook. The ClaritySoft add-in appears. The original Outlook plugin is now installed. Next, you will need to configure the plugin's synchronization settings, which vary between ClaritySoft Live and ClaritySoft Offline. For more information on further configuring the plugin, check out these videos.